Hello, this is Ahmed with another lesson about Primavera P6. In this lesson, I would like to show you how to prepare and assign baseline and set up related setting in Primavera P6. First of all, you should create your baseline when your project prepared. But we have two kind of baseline. At the first, you can save a copy of the current project as a new baseline over here. This is work for first time you want to save your baseline. You select this, push the OK, and your baseline saved. But you can name your baseline over here or over here, or you can use baseline type over here. But think about the time you want to create your baseline by your own. So you can close this dialog box, go to admin categories and use baseline types. I create issue for client approval by my own. If you check it with your Primavera P6, you have not this on your PC. I create another one, approved by client. Approved by client. And close it. If I go to maintain baseline, I can select it approved by client. This is our date of baseline, and this is the last update date of our baseline. And in this step, we close it. But how to use our baseline? Go to project, assign baseline, and depend on your project and situation, you can use project baseline. I use it over here and pushed OK. Okay, my baseline assigned. If I like to show you what happened to our project, you can use baseline start and baseline finish over here. If I schedule my project to the next month, these duration are fixed because these are baseline. Also can show it to you over here by Gantt chart. You should tick primary baseline, and after that go to assign baseline again, use primary baseline. Look at over here, our baseline show with this. I made a bigger change. You can easily find this is milestone of our baseline and this is milestone of current status of project. But this time think about the time you should change your baseline about relation, date, and everything. You can go to assign baseline and deassign your current baseline go to project, maintain baseline, and restore your current baseline. You can find your baseline in the rear of your project and you can open it. Wait for software to open your project and update your baseline. Schedule, okay. I only want to update my baseline time. So I open my project again. Go to maintain baseline, use add bottom, and convert another project to new baseline. And use my updated baseline as a baseline. And reassign my baseline. Go to activity sheet and my baseline updated. You can see variance decrease in order to update my baseline. I hope this lesson is useful for you. Please keep in touch with my LinkedIn or subscribe in my YouTube for more tutorial lessons. Thank you for your attention.